Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to pay a tribute to our motherhood. First of all, I want to say that my mother is the most wonderful person. She is very kind and humble. She gets up early in the morning. Number 4, she is very hardworking woman. Number 5, she always encourages me to follow my dreams. Number 6, she has a heart of gold and always puts others first. Number 7, she cooks delicious food for all of us. Number 8, she teaches me discipline and moral values. Number 9, I am very grateful to have her in my life. Number 10, she is the God's best gift to me. Dear students, if you have any question or suggestion, please do comment me. Dear students, don't forget to like, share and comment. I am waiting for your encouragement. Thank you very much.